And now I would like to welcome Tan Lin, who will address us. She is director of the Women's Studies Institute of China and member of the Secretariat of the All China Women's Federation. She's come a very long distance to Reykjavik to offer support of the work of this conference.
尊敬的冰岛前总统芬博阿多蒂尔阁下，尊敬的各位贵宾、朋友们，大家下午好。
Your Excellency, former President of Iceland, Vigdís Finnbogadóttir, Moderator, ladies and gentlemen, friends, good afternoon, everyone.
在冰岛举国庆祝妇女获得选举权100周年的重要时刻，我非常高兴地应邀率中国妇女代表团访问这个冰与火的美丽国家，参加庆祝活动。我们不远万里来到这儿，就是因为我们有共同的理想。
Celebrating this important moment for Iceland, the centenary of women's suffrage, I'm very pleased to head a Chinese women delegation to visit this beautiful country of fire and ice and participate in the international conference celebrating 100 years and talk about our common things.
Because we have a common value. 我们看到，在过去的100年，冰岛在性别平等方面取得可喜的成绩。特别是1980年，是冰岛妇女参政和性别平等里程碑的一年。芬多阿多蒂尔阁下当选冰岛总统，成为冰岛共和国建立以来第一位由人民选举出来的担任总统职务的女性。这不仅是冰岛的成绩，也是世界妇女共同的这个解放的象征和典范。
When it comes to women's political participation and such indicators, Iceland has always been among the world leaders. In the year of 1980 marks a milestone for Icelandic women's political participation and gender equality worldwide. Her Excellency, Ms. Finnbogadóttir, defeated all opponents in general election and was elected the President of Iceland. Since Iceland's independence in 1944, she became the first female president elected by the people and the world's first democratically elected female president, becoming a symbol of people's mind all over the world as a vanguard of men and women's equal rights and women's liberation.
芬多阿多蒂尔阁下心系妇女，不仅重视促进冰岛的性别平等事业，也为全球的妇女平等事业贡献了积极的力量。我们永远记得您在1995年北京世界妇女大会上留下的令人难忘的身影。
Finnbogadóttir is always mindful of women, not only paying attention to the promotion of gender equality in Iceland, but has also been a great force of contribution for the development of global women's cause. In 1995, at the Beijing World Conference on Women, Her Excellency Finnbogadóttir left magnificent presence.
2015年不仅是冰岛妇女运动的100年庆典之年，也是联合国第4次世界妇女大会在北京召开20周年。20年前，北京世妇会以其空前的盛况和辉煌成果，在国际妇女运动史上树立了一座不朽的丰碑。
The year of 2015 is not only the year of the centenary celebration of Icelandic women's movement, but also the 20th anniversary of the United Nations 4th World Conference on Women in Beijing. The Beijing Conference on Women was an immortal monument for the historical achievements of international women's movement.
今年9月27号，中国和联合国妇女署共同举办了全球妇女峰会，提出促进全球男女平等和妇女赋权，从承诺到行动。
In September 25th this year, the Chinese government and UN Women jointly organized the Global Summit of Women with the slogan, the promotion of gender equality and women's empowerment, from commitments to action.
包括80多个国家的元首和政府首脑在内的近100个国家代表出席了会议，宣布各自国家的行动，作出庄严承诺，进一步推动北京行动纲领的落实。我从刚才的合唱能够看到我们冰岛妇女的力量。
This global summit included some 80 heads of states and heads of government, and nearly 100 country representatives attended the meeting, announcing that their respective nation will make a solemn commitment to further promote the implementation of the Beijing Platform for Action. And I just saw how the power of Icelandic women can be strong.
性别平等是人类历史发展的必然选择，是社会文明进步的重要标志，是一个旨在改变世界的目标，需要我们艰苦卓绝的努力和坚韧不拔的精神。向着这个目标，让我们更加紧密地携手，共建共享一个对所有的妇女、对所有的人更加美好的世界。
The development of gender equality is the inevitable choice of human history. It's an important symbol of social civilization and progress of humanity. Toward this goal, let us work together more closely to make a better world for all women and for all people.
最后，请允许我再一次向芬博阿多蒂尔阁下致以最崇高的敬意和最美好的祝愿，向冰岛妇女姐妹致以美好的祝愿，祝冰中人民的友谊地久天长。谢谢。
Finally, allow me once again to pay my highest respect and best wishes to Your Excellency, Mrs. Fimbrodóttir, and I'd like to take this opportunity to wish the Icelandic Women's Movement a bright future. I also wish the cause of global gender equality continue to achieve new developments. I wish for the friendship between the people of Iceland and China to be long-lasting. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.